Alright guys, now that I'm back from Walmart and got this nice metallic finished paint for my A-arms, I got this all taken apart. I'm gonna paint these, let them dry, rip the other front end apart, and put this all back together when it's all nice and dry. Here we go. Check it out. Alright guys, now that you can actually see, I already started taking this apart a little bit. I'm gonna finish ripping this up apart so I can get the chrome ones on when they're done dry.
I'm gonna wipe my hands off now and see if I can flip these over. Oh my god!
Welcome back, Stupid Fast Nation. How are you guys doing today? Sorry about the unorthodox intro, but trying to help cameraman Wes learn the ropes of how YouTube works and how editing and all that stuff works. So he's been working really hard behind the scenes, trying to get this warrior build done. As you can see, it's already torn down, but in this video, we are actually gonna be tearing this thing down to the frame. Wes is getting it ready to paint. He's trying to get everything ready for the Little Sahara event, October, I believe, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Details are in the description below. If any of you guys are actually interested in going to this event, there's going to be a couple really big YouTubers there, and usually there's thousands of people at this event every year. Tons of 250Rs, tons of great people, builders, just a great all-around atmosphere for ATVs and dirt bikes. So, hope to see a lot of you guys there. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get started tearing this thing apart.
Camera.
Yep.
Yeah, listen. Grab a camera.
Oh.
I'm gonna tip this up and I want you to see this hole.
Oh, all right. So talk to me, man. What do we got going on down here?
So,
oh no,
I was trying to get
that
this
guy
off,
right there.
and it just spun, so I climbed underneath.
Oh, dude. They cut a hole in it to put a nut on it. That's really not that bad. We could close that up, dude. We could just put a piece of plate on there. We could weld that nut to it and then put a piece of plate on it, and then you'll never even know it was there. It's not structural, dude. But honestly, that same exact bolt on my Banshee broke free too. So I have to do something with mine. The difference is I'm gonna do mine the right way. So, dude, it's all right though. We can fix it.
Word.
All right, guys, now that we got this thing all the way torn down to the frame, next up, Wes is going to start painting the A-arms. I don't believe there's anything else that he's painting in this video, but he is gonna paint the A-arms, and we are gonna do a little bit of engine work as well. So sit back and enjoy. Okay. No, you're doing it wrong. No. Is that how it came apart? So this slid out?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
This was in there like this, over everything.
Really?
This on the outside and that big nut.
So how are you're not going to get this in there properly? How are you going to get that through there if you got to have them lined up? That means...
Oh, so I had to put it on this.
I think so. It might be easier to line these up than it will be to line those up.
So there it is. Just the frame. So much work to do. Wow, wow, wow. John's over here TikToking it.
No, Instagram.
Instagramming. Look at this ratchet frame. So bad. It's really not that bad. It just needs cleaning. Look at those welds. What you know about doing a full rebuild in 3 weeks? Yikes, what a deadline.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Can't quite show you guys that just yet, but if you want to see some drag Banshee action in the future, make sure you keep watching.
John over here TikToking it.
For once, you caught me TikToking.
Dude, I don't think I found one cotter key in this whole thing. This whole quad.
I believe it.
That makes me happy because I've actually gotten over every inch of this quad. So I can pull a John and lose a wheel going up a hill.
Oh! Dude, I ripped the back wheel off. Oh, dude, it came right off.
Alright guys, so me and John have discussed that it's definitely just the decision to rip this motor out, pressure wash the frame, repaint the frame, read this ratchet frame, clean all the welds up, and put a fresh paint job on her. So she don't look like this no more. Because she deserves to be dressed up and brought out to the dance. Now let's get to it. Alright guys, well now that's drying, let's tear this rear off and I'll paint this and make this all look all pretty.
Let's get to work.
Oh my god.